Good morning, it's Kathy. Oh, probably won't be morning when you see this. It's bright and early, and it's not supposed to be windy today. So hopefully I can get a lot of work done and get this wall over here ready to cob and get my window up there. We'll see how it goes. It's just a wonderful morning, though. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. Well, I used up all my slats. So the first thing I have to do is break up some more of these pallets. And then I'll get the nails out of those and I'll have some more. Hi, give me dog. Well, that's a pretty good stack. I'll get the nails out of those so I can use them in my wall. That last pallet I took apart is actually pretty good lumber. It's like cabinet wood. I think I'll set this to the side because I can put this up behind where my cabinets are gonna go on the wall. So I have something to attach them to. And then this wider one, see, I could sand that and stain it and make a shelf under that window I just put in, or under the kitchen window. But it'll make a pretty good shelf, I think. Where'd you leave your ball, Gina? Let's go get it. Where's your ball? What are you sniffing? Gina lost her ball again. So we came down this morning to find it. Come on, you. Well, she found her ball again. Come here, Gina. Come on, you're gonna lose it again. Come here. Well, hopefully not. I don't know how she finds it again, but she did. Come here, you. Gina. Gina, come on. Well, the ball saga continues. This is the fourth ball I bought for her. And I have to get her those really thick ones because she'll chew them up and ruin them. But I don't have a backup right now. So we have to go find that one. You did good, Gina. You found your ball. Some of you might not know, but these are the windows that my neighbor gave me. And I am so grateful for these windows. They look pretty rough, but they turn out real nice when I finish with them. So I just am so glad to have these. Well, I had told one of my subscribers that I would be doing these bottles next. However, when I brought the bottles out here, they are a wee bit too long, I think. But what I need to do is get all my layers done on here on both sides so I can see how long the bottles need to be, because you want your bottles to be level with your cob. So I have to wait. Sorry about that. I'll probably do the bottles last. So I'm on the outside of this east wall, and I am gonna put a slat across where the window's gonna go. I'm gonna put this just temporary up here, because wouldn't I be disappointed if I lifted that window up and it fell right through out here on the other side? Yes, I would. So I'm gonna put a slat across here so it can't fall. Well, I got this other window in. Looks kind of house-like with a window in there. So now I'll get those slats in here. I did half of it, but I gotta get the top of this window, top of that window, and then I can cob. Yay! Be glad when I get to that. Well, I just cleaned and chopped some of this chard so I can have it with my eggs. My lucky woman. Oh, yes, I am. That chard is beautiful, and it's just producing so much. Okay, I have no problem eating my dark leafy greens. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. You know, sometimes I like to just come over here and open the window and imagine the day. Huh, I love that. Hi, Gina Beans. If you go get your ball, I'll throw it for you. Yes, I will. You're my good girl. Where's your ball? Go get it. Go get it, funny monkey. Go get your ball. So this wall is ready to be filled with straw. I have that little bit up there, and I have to fill it from the outside and then put the slats over it. But that outer wall, the sun has been beating on it, so I'm not going to go work out there. It's pretty hot. So, see if I can get the slats up above these windows in here. got the slat up above that window. That one, I'm going to do it tomorrow because I've put blocks in it. And I am ready to be done. But I just have to put straw in there, straw there, straw there. I'll be ready to cob. So, I don't know. I feel good about that. So, that's where I'm at so far. I'll be cobbing next time you see me. I don't imagine it'll take too long to cob this wall. Not as long as that one, certainly. I only have the 1, 2. I have these 2 long walls and that short one, and then that other short one in the corner already has cob on it. So, shouldn't take me long to get going on that. I appreciate you guys being here so much, and I hope to see you on the next video when I'll start cobbing this wall. It'll be great. Take good care of you guys. I appreciate you so much.